Hey, welcome back to Lupo Outdoors and TAC Pack Tuesday. This TAC Pack is for the month of April 2025. I'm actually quite excited about this one because I've actually looked through it and checked out some of this. And unlike last month where I felt I was actually kind of disappointed, although if you watch my latest video where I have an EMT and a paramedic check out the My Medic bags, the small one we got last TAC Pack was actually really good. So I stand corrected with that one. But hey, let's start with this TAC Pack here. So one of the first things we're going to look at is what's included here. So let's start with the rat's tourniquet. So we actually have a really nice little tourniquet built inside here. This works on adults. There's instructions involved, and at the very bottom is a QR code that actually tells you how to use it. I recently got certified in traumatic bleeding, and it went over exactly what to do with the tourniquet. So I'm actually going to be placing this tourniquet into my medic kit, my large kit, which has everything I need except a tourniquet. So that's awesome. I really love that they put that in there. Let's look at the next thing that we have. We have this scope level rail mount. A rail mounted level is paramount for any long range. I have dozens of these and I absolutely love them. You can always have more. But when you need them, you better have them. And these are very, very useful. I highly recommend it. Let's take a look at the muzzle device. So this muzzle device is a Mission First Tactical. One of the things I thought was really interesting about this is it actually have 2 ports on each side, and then 4 ports on top for muzzle rise. That's really quite cool. And I'm excited about actually trying this out. It's a good looking muzzle device. You can see the 2 ports right here are for this side. And then they have, these are on the one side for muzzle rise relief. Very, very nice. We're anxious to try this out. We'll let you know how it goes. Now, Timber Creek has these. It's a basically a sitting target. So when you put it together, it kind of looks like this. And you can basically, it's self-healing. You can shoot it all day long. What really surprised me about this is this part right here. It is rated up to a 50 BMG. We're going to try that out, being that we have a 50 BMG. So watch for that video. But I want to know just how self-healing it's going to be when it gets nailed by 50 BMG. But we're going to shoot it with 22s and other calibers to check it out. But having a flipping target is always fun. Now, my plus item here. This is the Enforce WMLX Gen 3 Lite. Now, what's interesting about this, and I've already opened it up to take a look, is that it does lights, strobe, and with a flip of the switch, infrared. So when you mount it on a Picatinny rail, this is light, that's infrared. And then it's a process of just turning it on. And then if you hit it twice, it strobes. This is going to be fun because I have several night cameras or night scopes on some of my guns, and it's always great to have a directional infrared light, and this is all inclusive, so we're going to give this a shot. I'm excited about this. This actually has a value about $160, I think they said. Not too bad. To be honest, that's not bad at all. And of course, last but not least, we have a Wolverine sticker. So we're, like I said before, over and over again, we're gonna go through these stickers, and we're gonna give them away. I have so many stickers. So you know what? For this one, leave a comment down below, and when we get the next TAC pack, I'll go through the comments, and we will give this sticker to one of the people who leaves a comment in today's video. I think that's what we're going to do for every month now. That sticker will go to one of the people who leaves a comment down below. If you are the only one, you're getting yourself a sticker. All right. Hey, that was this month's TAC pack. I was not disappointed. I'm actually kind of excited about it. It's got some cool stuff, and we're going to have a really, really good time playing with all of it. Look for the video with the muzzle. Look for the video that's coming out regarding the self-healing target. And we'll see you next month on TAC Pack Tuesday.